Hi everyone, this is a 40cm by 40cm light box for photography. I got this from Aliexpress for around $15. It came in this box, which I've just removed it from. We have two of those. These are for the LED lights. Now the light box unfolds. This is the top. I know that because of what I've seen on the seller's page. This is where you would have a camera from the top. So we would take our pictures from above through that hole. So I know that's the top. Also, there's no LEDs here. They're here, and they're at the top also. Now, the way this builds up is you basically unfold it, and we have studs. You can see the studs, and these studs all fasten together to create the cube or the box, what have you. Now, what I would do before attempting to put it together is these flaps, this plastic in it is a very stiff plastic, and I know that once I build it up, it's probably not going to be very straight on each side. So I'm going to take the wings, or whatever I want to call them, the flaps. I'm just going to bend them the opposite way, just to give me a bit more flexibility whilst I'm pinning it up. I'll do that same with this. I'll pause the video while I do this, and we'll be right back. I just wanted to show you the LED strips. You have two. You have one at the on the very edge of the lip, and then you have a second one at the back of the light box. And your USB cables will slot into there and there. And yep, there's the top. These are the different coloured backgrounds. I'll show you those once I've built it up. Okay, so that was extremely difficult to do on camera, so I did it off camera. This is the bottom. The top is here. It's just a little bit out of the shot with the LEDs on. Spin it around so you can see. It would have been easier if I'd bought the smaller one, but this is the larger of the two that are available. So yeah, we've got USB cables. We'll plug those in a moment, and then we'll give it a shot. So firstly, be very careful when you're attaching the wires to the LEDs. I don't know if you can see that, but I've bent it down slightly. And you can see this one here. That one's okay. The wires are very short, which meant I had nowhere to plug it in other than my computer. So I'm sat in the corner of the room on the floor, trying to show you these. As you can see, some Naka Max that I bought from Aliexpress. I'm going to use them, and I'm going to take some pictures with my DSLR camera, or DLSR, whichever that is. And we'll see how they come out. But yeah, that's basically it. These are the backgrounds. You can change these. You take them off and you can change them to different colours, as you can see. We're going to stick with the red though. I'm going to take some pictures and I'll show you them in a moment. I'll take some from the front and I'll take some from above. We'll see how the pictures come out. Yeah, so I thought I'd try an apple as well. See what it comes out on the red background. They didn't come out too bad. I'm no photographer. I had the camera set to automatic, so it did all the little things itself. But yeah, it's not too bad, I don't think. Thanks for watching. Links and info in description as usual. See you in my next video. Bye.